What if the king of our solar system went on a cosmic binge and swallowed every other planet? Sounds like sci-fi, right? But imagine, Jupiter, the giant gas planet, gobbling up its planetary neighbors one by one, reshaping our solar system forever. Now, before you panic and start Googling how to survive planetary apocalypse, let's dive into this wild what-if scenario, because the universe might just surprise you. First on Jupiter's cosmic menu, Saturn, a planet almost as big as Jupiter itself. But here's the kicker, swallowing Saturn would be no light snack. Their moons would collide in a celestial fireworks show, raining debris and chaos. Imagine the ultimate space traffic jam, moons smashing into moons like bumper cars at an interplanetary carnival. This collision would crank Jupiter's surface temperature hotter than the sun's outer layer, turning it into a blazing inferno. And with Saturn's mass merged in, Jupiter's gravity would surge by 30%, pulling harder on everything around it. But the feast doesn't stop there. Next, Jupiter would engulf Uranus and Neptune, the icy giants with cores of rock, water, and methane. Picture their 27 moons slamming into Jupiter's growing rings, creating even more debris that would make surviving a trip nearby almost impossible. Then come the rocky planets, Venus and Mars. But here's a twist. These worlds wouldn't even reach Jupiter's core. Instead, they'd burn up in the planet's thick atmosphere like shooting stars on fire. Mercury? Smaller than Jupiter's largest moon. It would be torn apart before it even got close. So after this cosmic banquet, only Earth and a gargantuan Jupiter remain. But here's the chilling question. What would that mean for our home? Jupiter's gravity would be over 40% stronger, enough to pull asteroids and debris into Earth's path. Passing through Jupiter's newly formed rings, we'd be bombarded by space rocks, and if Earth somehow survived, it would ignite upon entering Jupiter's atmosphere. Even with all the mass added, Jupiter's size wouldn't change much. But if it kept growing, could it become a star? If this cosmic journey fascinated you, don't miss my video. Click here to watch next, and let's explore what happens when Betelgeuse explodes.